You know what the biggest mistake car buyers make? They get obsessed with horsepower, 0-60 times, screens, sensors, and all the flashy features. But they completely overlook the one thing that actually determines how long their car will survive: the engine's lifespan. Here's a stat that might shock you: most modern engines are built to last around 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. But there's a small group of engines out there, 7 of them, that consistently go far beyond that. We're talking 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles. And in rare cases with exceptional care, some examples have crossed the 1 million mile mark. So what makes these engines different? Why do some powertrains start falling apart after a few years, while others keep running for decades like they're carved out of granite? That's exactly what we're diving into today. I'm counting down the top 7 car engines in 2026 known for extraordinary reliability and long-term durability. And here's the best part. The engine sitting at number 1 has been pushed through some of the most extreme durability testing Toyota has ever done, tests specifically designed to expose weaknesses they thought it might have. If you're shopping for a car anytime soon, this video could save you thousands of dollars in repairs, headaches, and regret. Let's get into it. Number 7. Honda 1.5T Turbo L15B7, starting strong with Honda's 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Before you doubt a turbo engine on a reliability list, hear me out. This isn't your typical fragile turbo setup. Found in the Civic, Accord, and CR-V, this engine regularly hits 250,000 miles without major issues. Early adopters are already pushing 300,000 miles strong. What makes it special? Honda kept the boost conservative while using a water-cooled turbo housing that prevents catastrophic failures. The engine management protects the turbo during cold starts, gradually building boost as temperatures rise. Smart engineering equals longevity. Pro tip: use quality synthetic oil and change it every 5,000 miles. These turbos run hot and cheap oil breaks down fast. Do that and your L15B7 will outlast your car's body. Number 6. Toyota 2.5L Hybrid, A25A FXS. Toyota's hybrid powerhouse is rewriting the rules. This 2.5-liter engine powers the Camry Hybrid, R-Ray V4 Hybrid, and several Lexus models, regularly surpassing 400,000 miles. Early Prius owners are hitting 500,000 miles with original engines. The secret? The engine shuts off constantly at stoplights, in traffic, and during coasting. Less running time equals less wear. Toyota uses the Atkinson cycle, which produces less heat, and lower temperatures mean longer life. The hybrid battery typically lasts 300,000 miles or more. Even when replacement is needed, rebuilt packs cost way less than traditional engine rebuilds. Insider info: Toyota tests these engines to run 600,000 miles in their reliability labs. That's not a typo. 600,000 miles. Number 5. Ford 5.0L Coyote Vate power and reliability in one beautiful package. The Coyote 5 Vate powers Mustangs and F-150s, routinely cruising past 200,000 miles. With proper care, 300,000 miles isn't uncommon. Even modified Coyotes pushing 600-plus horsepower last 100,000 miles or more. What makes it different? Ford used a deep-skirted aluminum block with cross-bolted main caps, a forged steel crankshaft, and powder-forged connecting rods. The TVCT variable cam timing optimizes performance across the entire RPM range, so the engine never works harder than necessary. Fleet F-150s regularly hit 250,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes and spark plugs. Police Mustangs see similar numbers despite the abuse. Pro tip: the Coyote loves oil. Check it regularly and run 91 plus octane when possible for smoother operation and better long-term health. Number 4. Mazda Skyactiv G 2.5L criminally underrated. Mazda's Skyactiv G 2.5 4-cylinder powers the Mazda 3, Mazda 6, CX-5, and CX-9. Owners report 200,000 miles with zero major issues, with some approaching 300,000 miles without ever opening the engine. Mazda's trick: an insanely high 13:1 compression ratio delivers diesel-like efficiency without diesel complexity. They obsessed over reducing friction with special piston coatings, optimized rings, and unique cylinder wall honing. Every part glides, not grinds. No direct injection complexity, just proven port fuel injection. No turbos to fail, no complex hybrid systems, just a beautifully engineered, naturally aspirated engine. Pro tip: these engines love to rev. Use the full RPM range occasionally to keep carbon deposits away. Stick with Mazda's recommended oil weight, they engineered tolerances specifically for it. Number 3. Chevrolet 6.6L Duramax Diesel. Now we're talking serious territory. The 6.6 Duramax, specifically the L5P version from 2017 onward, regularly hits 500,000 miles. Commercial users approach 700,000 miles on original engines. 1 million miles isn't unheard of. What makes it legendary? A massively thick cast iron block, a forged steel crankshaft on huge main bearings and reinforced aluminum heads. The L5P generation fixed all emissions headaches. The DPF system is reliable, DEF injection is bulletproof, and the entire design is cleaner than previous generations. The injection system operates at 36,000 psi, designed to run at that pressure for hundreds of thousands of miles. The variable geometry turbo always operates in its optimal efficiency range, reducing stress. Landscapers, construction companies, and RV haulers put massive mileage on these with minimal issues. Most common maintenance: oil changes, fuel filters, and eventually DPF cleaning. That's it. Pro tip: use quality diesel fuel and change fuel filters religiously. Let it warm up before towing heavy. Give it a few minutes to reach operating temperature and you'll add years to its life. Number 2. Toyota 3.5L V6 2GR FKS. Toyota strikes again. The 3.5 V6 with dual injection powers Camrys, Avalons, Highlanders, and Siennas. These engines regularly hit 300,000 miles. Taxi and Uber drivers push 400,000 miles while the engine keeps running like nothing happened. The Toyota difference: dual injection uses both direct injection for power and port injection to keep valves clean. This eliminates carbon buildup that plagues pure direct injection engines. Brilliant solution. The VVT-IW system adjusts intake valve timing by up to 60 degrees, allowing optimal efficiency across the entire RPM range. Toyota also used an offset crankshaft design that reduces friction during the power stroke. Delivery drivers and rideshare operators rack up massive mileage. The most common complaint: there isn't one, these engines just work. Pro tip: use top-tier gasoline with better detergent packages. Don't ignore routine maintenance. Toyota engineers design specific service intervals for a reason. Number 1. Toyota 2.0L Dynamic Force M20A FKS, the ultimate champion. Toyota's 2 Dynamic Force engine represents everything they've learned about building indestructible engines. Found in Corollas and hybrid systems, early examples sail past 150,000 miles with zero issues. Long-term testing suggests 500,000 miles is absolutely achievable. What makes it king? The Dynamic Force achieves 41% thermal efficiency, which is insane. Most engines barely hit 30%. This means more fuel energy becomes motion rather than waste heat. Less heat equals longer life. Toyota achieved this through a 13:1 compression ratio, aggressive variable valve timing, dual injection, and an incredibly efficient combustion chamber design. In hybrid applications, the engine operates in its most efficient range constantly, with electric motors handling acceleration. The gasoline engine almost never works hard. Every component is designed for longevity. Connecting rods optimized for strength, a crankshaft balanced to NASA-level precision, and a variable flow oil pump that only works as hard as needed. The cooling system features separate circuits for the block and head, allowing precise temperature control. Delivery companies choose this engine specifically for reliability. Early rideshare adopters report it's even more reliable than previous Toyota engines. Mechanics rarely see these for anything beyond routine maintenance. Pro tip: follow Toyota's maintenance schedule to the letter. These engines are engineered with specific service intervals that optimize longevity. Using premium occasionally helps keep the direct injection system cleaner. Future-proof design. This engine is built to meet emissions standards well into the 2030s. Toyota engineered it for a long production run because they're absolutely confident in its durability. There you have it. 7 engines in 2026 that don't just run, they endure. From Honda's turbo wizardry to Toyota's engineering masterpieces, these powertrains prove one thing: reliability isn't dead, it just belongs to the companies that refuse to cut corners. If you're car shopping, put these engines at the top of your list. And if you already own one, consider yourself lucky, you're driving something built to last. Just remember, even the toughest engine needs a little love. Change your oil, use quality fluids, stick to the schedule. That's the real secret to making your car live forever. Now I want to know which engine shocked you the most. Drop it in the comments, I read every single one. If you want more brutally honest, data-backed reliability breakdowns, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, a great engine doesn't just start your car. It starts every journey with confidence. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.